Meditation helps you to be happy. It helps you to be positive and accept every challenge in the life. World is a lot bigger, more than our thought. Every day we meet with different people and experience different cultures. As we grow older, we build relations with the society, with people, with cultures, with wealth, health, and family members. Human beings experience 60,000 thoughts per day. They can be positive or negative, but mostly the thoughts will be negative, worrying about past and predicting the future. And it is what called as overthinking. And it is what the overthinking which leads to develop anxiety, stress, depression, and loneliness in human beings. Many people say that you have to be positive, but the real thing is you should live in present. Remember, you should live in present. Meditation helps you to do that. In our body, we can grow our every muscle and observe the difference. But you cannot observe your mind. Mind is also a muscle, but you cannot exercise it physically. If you can do it, that is by meditation. Meditation helps you to build a stronger mind. Meditation is observing your breath, the way you inhale and exhale. Remember, you should not control your breath. The breathing is a natural process. It should happen on its own. You should just observe it. As you start meditating, many thoughts will flow into your mind. And remember, you should not stop any thought forcibly. Thoughts will come naturally as you meditate. If you stop it, they will come again and disturbs you. The only thing you have to do is refocus your attention on your breath. Doing meditation with the right postures will give you better results within the months. Meditation makes you to be happy and live longer. Remember, do meditation, live in present and be happy.